In today's digital age, keeping your online accounts safe from hackers is crucial. By understanding how hackers operate, you can better protect yourself. Here are some quick tips to secure your online presence. First, use strong, unique passwords for each account. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like 123,456 or password. Next, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. Be cautious of suspicious emails or messages asking for personal information. Phishing scams often trick people into giving away their login details. Regularly update your software and devices to patch security vulnerabilities. Hackers often exploit outdated systems. Lastly, be mindful of the information you share online. Avoid oversharing personal details on social media that could be used against you by hackers. By following these tips and staying vigilant, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to online hacking. Remember, a little bit of precaution goes a long way in keeping your online presence secure. Stay safe out there.